Hello there. In this video, we are going to go through the easy topic of recursion. There are some memes made around recursion. Just in case if you Google recursion, Google is going to tell you, did you mean recursion? And so on. It's going to keep that did you mean as a joke. But in this video, I'm just going to explain to you recursion in a very simple, easy to digest way. And let's get right into it. So we've got you right here and you want a cake. For you to get a cake, you call in your mom. So you make a call for your lovely mom. I hope she's alive. And you ask her for the cake. Well, she tells you, I need some stuff for the cake. And let's just put, for example, 3 ingredients, random ingredients, X, Y, and Z. And then she calls in onto somebody else. So that's someone else that provides her with X, and that guy who needs X needs someone else to provide him with something else, and so on. The chains keep on going. But let's just say in this case, your mom only wants X. So this person will call in the other person to give him something else to produce X. And whenever the chain is broken, which is what we call a base case in recursion, whenever this chain is broken, the X is returned back to the person, which in case returns the X to your mother, which in turns your mother the cake. That's it. It's pretty simple. So again, you request something, you call in another person that's gonna provide you with another request, and you keep going until you have a base case. It's as simple as that. Now let's check some code in C. So right here, I have some code that we can look at. So ft put number, and we can see in this function that we have a function that keeps calling itself until a base case is met. Let me screenshot this so I can turn it over. So right here, as you can see, sorry, let me just move this around. As you can see right here, we have our function, which is called put number. And the base case is that the number is less than or equal 9. Because it's the opposite of number bigger than 9. And what we are doing is that we keep calling this function. We keep on calling this function if the number is bigger than 9. And when the opposite happens, the function calling stops. So for example, if we pass into this function number 123, we keep on calling this function with the value 12, and then, with the value first of all, 123. So what's being happening is that we are calling function 123, and then 12, and then it stops right here, and then it goes one more time, it calls it with 1. So again, we call our main function with 123, then 12, and then in the 12, it's passing right here number 1. And what's happening is that we are printing or displaying into the screen. This is C. We're not going to bother with that. Just stick to the concept. What's happening is that that 1 is being returned, and then the 2 is being returned, and 3 is being returned because we are calling for the moduli of that number. And yeah, that's really about it.